Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be doing the Henschel Type 33. It's a truck. Alright, so first of all, before we glue anything, of course we need to do all the little cuts. So cut away and let's separate the pieces that don't need to be cut. Alright, so the rest of them kind of need a little cuts here and there. Sprue cut. And then there's these wheels. Take and cut those sprues. Good. And then let's do it for the other ones. The little cut there. Now this is a little crank or something. Careful to cut the sprue pretty small part. Perhaps in the smaller scales that won't even be needed because it's so small. But I'm working with the 1/72nd scale, by the way, so you can get a idea of the size. Clip by clip, we're getting this done. Alright, last but not least, let's cut the sprues here. Good. Go like this and like that. And then clean up that. Very good. All right, so that is good. Let's start to glue all of this together. First of all, why don't we go ahead and glue these two pieces. All right, so that looks pretty good. Up next, this piece that would be handy to glue there. So why don't we go ahead and do that? Just put a bunch of glue here. And then put this piece together like that. Good. Now you have this piece put together like that. And to do that, let's put a little glue here, but in addition to glue there, let's put glue on these edges here. So that worked out pretty good. Alright, so for this, this can be a little too much, so let's clip carefully some bits off the end of this. So I clipped that off, and let's see if that fits now. So you see, so that fits all right, but I'll just check this side. Yep, that's all right. So let's go ahead and put a bunch of glue here. And then I'm gonna put that piece together like that. And let's go ahead and let that dry. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're letting that truck dry. And we went ahead and took these two pieces and glued them together. It's very easy to do. Just take the two pieces, glue it together. And then I went ahead and put some glue on the edges here of this and put those pieces like that. What we have next is those. So let's go ahead and get that glued. So what you want to do is put some glue there and there. A little bit of glue there. There you go. So I think that's looking great. So put some glue here. Some glue there. Glue on that edge as well. Let's go ahead and put the back gate on like so. All right, so the open bed's good, and let's go ahead and let that dry over there. Now we have all these pieces. Let's see, it's glued pretty good. Now to help reinforce that together, we can glue on these pieces here. So let's test fit these. Oh yes, goes like this. That's why I like to test fit. So it's gonna go like that. Well, so put some glue here, there, good. Then just put that piece like that. And there you go. The body of that truck is already a little stronger because of that. So now, a little glue there, a little glue there, a little glue there. Good. So that's the way you want it. That's the way we want that. Really good. Put this little paper there. Very good. Now, what we could do now is get these wheels on. But before putting the wheels on, we need to put these axles on. So they kind of go like that. Well, it's easy. Let's put glue there. Carefully. Place that piece on like so. Putting glue on your finger doesn't help because that wants to pull everything away. All right, that's the way we want it. Let's do the other side. I think that's great. Now, the objective is fairly simple. Putting glue there, and there, and then putting that axle in the center of the wheel, like so. Same for that side. And then let's put that axle in the center of that wheel. Take a look. So I think that's looking pretty good. Well, let's do the other side. The other side, here we go. Put that front wheel on. And then let's get that wheel on here. That wheel like that. That's good. Now let's put some glue on the front here. So we're going to place this bumper. Let's just put this bumper there. Very good. And then after that, last but not least, you can put a little glue there. This tiny crank piece, if you can manage. It's not even really visible, probably on those smaller scales. Okay. There you go. So now, here's the open bed. And the covered bed. And the flatbed versions. Available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.